The Holy Stone HS280D is a versatile drone that stands out with its 1080p HD camera, featuring a 70 degrees adjustable angle for clear, stable footage. Enhanced with an upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning, it delivers smooth FPV real-time transmission for effortless sharing of your aerial captures. Powered by durable brushless motors, the HS280D offers improved wind resistance and quieter operation, extending its lifespan and avoiding the overheating issues common with traditional motors. With 2 rechargeable batteries providing up to 28 minutes of flight time, this drone ensures a worry-free experience. Modular batteries are easy to charge and replace, with a low battery warning on the remote for added convenience. Ideal for beginners, the HS280D includes features like one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. Intelligent functions such as gesture control and path drawing in the app add fun and ease. Lightweight and foldable, at just 164 g, it's highly portable and doesn't require CAA registration.